Some people have said they think clicks is expensive, so let's break it down. First, you've got the enclosure. These are precision molded to the exact dimensions of each phone. The enclosure is made up of two materials, a hard polycarbonate and a flexible thermoplastic polyurethane that allows you to get your iPhone in and out. You don't see two separate materials because they need to be fused seamlessly and color matched flawlessly. Next, there's the keyboard. The keys have been treated to make them resistant to oil and grease, and the painting has been fine-tuned to evenly show the backlight. The keycap surfaces are the result of detailed design studies. The ergonomic contouring has been crafted to deliver the best typing experience possible. The keycaps sit atop a membrane with individual pushers to drive each key. The printed circuit board is the brains of clicks. This is where we have our USB-C pass-through for charging, as well as the hardware and wiring for the USB-C data mode to support applications like CarPlay. On that USB-C connector, we're using the new EU-certified Type-C to make sure it complies with most chargers. While this is generally a requirement for smartphones, we're doing it too. Flipping over to this side, we have the nickel-plated dome switches that receive the key strikes from the keyboard. And there's an LED layer with LED controllers that provide the backlight. Moving on, there's a magnetic array that provides wireless charging and support for MagSafe accessories. Brushed metal side keys for the power, volume, and action button feel great under your fingers. This rear enclosure here includes metal ballast that's been added to achieve the perfect balance in hand, tuned specifically for the phone model you're using. And then there's a vegan leather backplate to pull it all together and offer a cue for where your fingers should rest for the optimal hold. There's a well-designed box and getting started materials to help you get started downloading the Clicks app. The Clicks app allows you to update the firmware on your keyboard to unlock new features. You can also control settings like the backlight and keyboard functionality and install keyboard shortcuts. And did I mention that everything needs to be designed to pass Apple's meticulous made for iPhone certification standards? This means that the hardware won't damage the phone and that the protective parts of Clicks will meet the protective case standards. Moreover, the electronics are designed to ensure that there's no impact on the phone's signal performance. On top of that, everything has to pass FCC certification, so you have peace of mind that this is safe. Of course, we want to make Clicks as affordable as possible and get it into as many people's hands as we can. But there are realities to building a business. And guess what? We haven't even talked about everybody's favorite topic, tariffs. Are we going to build low quality crap that you could go buy on Temu? Absolutely not. So what have we learned? Is Clicks more expensive than a $40 dumb case you're just going to throw on your phone? Yes. Is Clicks worth it? Absolutely.